Become the presenter to start sharing your screen. ये नहीं आ रहा है. अरे स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं हो रहा है. क्लिक कर रहे हैं तो कुछ आ ही नहीं रहा उसमें शेयर स्क्रीन. Oh, this is fine, Vikal. The presentation is showing.
Vikalp sir.
Yes, Shravan sir, you can start.
Yeah, okay. Thank you, sir. So, very good morning to all. Welcome to third day session. Thank you all participants for successful completion of 2 days FDP program. From the last 2 days, we learned about various issues and algorithm implementations, various tools required for analyzing the data. So many techniques we have discussed in the last two sections. So the last 2 day, two sessions are very good and informative sessions. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Lokesh sir and Vikalp sir, for sharing more valuable information regarding AI and ML. Today, we are going to learn more information regarding artificial intelligence and machine learning. For that, on behalf of CSE department, I heartily welcome today's session speaker, Mr. Rupesh Kumar Gupta, Chief Technology Officer, Head of Research, Spring S Technologies. Thank you, sir, for accepting our request. So the participants are eagerly waiting for your presentation, sir. Thank you. I request you to please hand over the session, sir. Thank you, sir. Participants, please mute your mic while presentation. Thank you. Thank you. So instructions to participants, you can write questions at the end of the sessions, or you can type questions in the chat box also. So we will discuss at the end of the session. Thank you. Gupta sir.
A very good morning to all of you.
Thank you,
Is
sir.
my voice is clear now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Audible, sir.
Hello. Hello. Is my voice is clear now?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Okay. Very good morning to all of you. I am Rupesh Gupta, Chief Technology Officer and Head of Research, Spring S Technology Private Limited. Good opportunity giving me on faculty development program on research application in artificial intelligence and machine learning. Thank you so much. Contents. Firstly, we have to
Sir, voice not audible, sir.
so is my voice is clear? Okay. Thank you, sir. Before going to start the presentation, firstly introduction about what is the artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the computer program or a machine to think and learn. It is a field of study to make computers very smartly. You can see the presentation. Artificial plus intelligence equal to the artificial intelligence. This is the basic fundamental definition of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the simulation of human intelligence with the machine. It solves the critical problems in day-to-day life or in will be used in future. It acts like humans. So let's discuss the history of artificial intelligence. Here you can see the timeline of history of artificial intelligence from 1938 to right now. This is the timeline of artificial intelligence. A artificial intelligence is founded. You Defense Advanced Research Project Agency, which funded the government agency which funded into AI development. Demand of AI with the computer system grow day by day fast, moving the timeline. You can see the hype of the timeline very increased. The demand of AI is increased in 1986, where the Is I am audible?
Yes, sir, it's audible.
Is it, this is audible now? Right? Okay. Okay, fine. Here we have, yes, many technology companies like Fujitsu innovate the successful digital transformation. That value is created from connectivity and people at the center of digital technology. Here we have to look a video play. A video play. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Uh, Participants,
Okay,
please
fine.
mute your mic. Yes, sir. Continue, sir. Thank you.
Hello, am I? It's audible. Okay, okay, fine. Yes. Let's have a video clip. We have to show on the screen. वीडियो स्क्रीन नहीं आ रहा है। हेलो। ओके। Hello, Vikram sir. Please confirm me. Am I audible? Okay. So that's okay. Thank you, Vikram sir. Let's going forward. For sorry for due to network problem here, due to heavy rain is going on outside. Uh, I think so. Network problem here is audible. So we are on
There is some technical issue at
Am I audible right now? I hope. Because of this confirm. Okay, thank you. Sorry for disturbance. I again repeat, due to heavy rain here, so network problem is going on. Uh, yes, Vigam sir, this is voice is clear. Please confirm me. Okay, Vigam sir. Okay. So we have discussed the current status of artificial intelligence. So day by day, artificial intelligence is the technology used in healthcare. You can see the screen, healthcare system, and finding new solutions for people by new enhancement. For life, Maruti Suzuki companies used robotics program by its robots to build a car chassis. Last year, I have visited the Maruti Suzuki company manager Prime Gurgaon, where I found it gives the fastest activity in the real time. The average, the average rate of build a car is 12 seconds only. 12 seconds, the chassis of a car is completed by artificial intelligence robot. So you can see the productivity of Maruti Suzuki company growing day by day. Even not Maruti Suzuki company, even all the sectors will using the AI technology. Now you can see the financial sector also. Artificial intelligence play very important role into the algorithmic trading and portfolio management. Okay.
போட்டியா
Am I audible?
நான் கேன்சல் பண்ணிடுறேன் அப்பதான் வந்துச்சா
Vikalp sir, I am audible. Please confirm me. Yes, audible.
Yes, sir, audible.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. This is the infographic representation of AI technology. You are showing on the screen my PPT. I have presenting the artificial intelligence and robot technology. Artificial intelligence is cognitive computing which interact with the human and think. Artificial intelligence and robotics, because we have to artificial intelligence, mostly robotics have uses which improve the efficiency and the quality in the various sectors including automobiles and e-commerce. According to the Boston Consulting Group BCG report, the return on investment will achieve from 160% to 300%. We can also see the trend telcos are using this technology. It boosts their spending on artificial intelligence and robots by more than 40% average. You can see the machine learning and responding technology are the AI robotic tools most used by telcos company. You can see the layer and process of product management to the support shared services. Next slide. The telco company increased the IT level. In this graph of market average, and mature market with emerging market. The capex is capital expenditure, the opex is operating expense. You can see chatbots which can lower cost by reducing and staffing needs. It improves the customer experience by providing quick response 24 by 7. We can use a software which is called COTS, commercial of the self. Software plays an important role in the marketing and sales by revenue management and revenue management. You can see the graph of market average with the emerging technology in various revenue or changing from 2015 to 16. I have taken this reports from BCG. So, competing in the age of artificial intelligence. The screen is showing results of please confirm me. Screen is showing. Because sir, please confirm me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is the computing age of artificial intelligence. How machine think and act. How artificial intelligence breach the real world. You can see the real world versus data world. Here, real world and data world, we have two big. In real world, human language comes with the computer version. As part of data world, the real time sensor data. Two sounds is coming. Because sir, please wait. Is audible? As, as
Yes,
part
sir.
of data
Audible.
world, real time sensor, data and structured data and online behavior. Next, go to the next slide. Let's look let's look at three examples of how artificial intelligence shifts traditional notion of competitive advantage. Data, customer access, capabilities. You can see here the man versus machine. In machine, data is access, while other talent workforce given by human that is leverage between man and machine. You can see here man is using the adaptive organization where machine use is a central system. That is the difference leverage man and machine. Let's have a glance on artificial intelligence for four lenses. The first lens is customer needs. The second lens is technological advances where research application is used, where the data is comes from, which is we can call data sources, and decomposition of the process. So only when human and machines solve problems together and learn from each other, it can be full potential of AI be achieved. You can see here the four lenses converted comes from the advantage from AI, artificial intelligence. The building blocks of artificial intelligence. This is the best things of artificial building blocks. Here I have the 10 building blocks which are essential to designing and assembling AI system. I have already slides. Go ahead. Screen is sharing. Gulf sir. Is this fine? Okay. I have put the 10 building blocks here, which are essential to designing and assembling of artificial in systems. Vendor provides the basic functionality that each building blocks and companies modify blocks to create the customized applications. So artificial intelligence, where we have used artificial intelligence, is used in the business research. So in the next slide, very important slide in the, this is the graph between the effect on process versus effect on offerings. You can see here the lower level is today what in various sectors is here. High expectation of artificial intelligence gives the companies more to grow. You can see here the various sector offering today with process and with effect of artificial intelligence, where the increase of offering and process in the 5 years down the line. You can see here. Go to the next slide. So this is a very important healthcare systems chasing values of artificial intelligence. See, transform healthcare. Using of artificial intelligence play very important, crucial role in the healthcare system. You can see here the profit value of healthcare system. It increases 27% profit margin in biopharma. In medtech, only 17%, but providers gain only 6% of the profit. So biopharma, biomedical healthcare system develop the product with innovative by using the artificial intelligence. Before the going to the next slide, which is very important and very important to everybody in the world, it uses the artificial intelligence, use the banking rules, how technology can simplify mortgage approval, getting bank automation beyond the pilot phase. Mortgage loan, we have got the loan from, I think many of the people get the loan from the bank. Bank gives a mortgage loan which approved from the bank in the systematic process for loan offer. You can see here how AI is using in the process of loan offering to the existing customer. The robotic process, the machine learning process, analytical process, and business process. Go to the machine learning again, search the board, and go to, again machine learning, natural language process, and giving to customers. So application is starting from the process, finally goes to end to the end customers. This is the banking system where we have to use the AI technology, or AI technology used in you can see the real market, the share market, NSC, BSC, S&P, NASDAQ, FTSE, DAC. There are lots of stock exchange in around the globe. So I'm also seeing the how art algorithmic coded in artificial intelligence by for buying a proper share, and where we have to sell the share and get the profit. Artificial intelligence gives me two important information when we have to buy the share and then we have to sell the share. It also the future of it also predict the future of the share. We have to future an option into the share market. You have to buy future call, either future put option, or option future option, or put or future option call option. You can go through this. This is the artificial intelligence, the mind. Various types of charts like resistance chart, support chart, candlestick chart use the artificial intelligence. This is the research application is for every student or faculty. Take these things very uh, uh, very prospect level and management level. uh, they can research on the how algorithmic trading, how algorithmic is coded into the financial system, how market is going up and down, how market is stagnant or sustainability is going into that. So next slide, I'm going. Before going to the next slide, I have a video clip, but video clip is not going. I'm very sorry because heavy rain is going outside. So I have a little bit introduced about the Internet of Things. You heard about the Internet of Things. Internet of Things is a thing which connected to the internet. Like artificial intelligence is used in the device which is called Internet of Things. The thing which is connected through the internet is called IoT, which connect many systems, which is called systems of systems. Many companies like Intel makes a microprocessor into the gateway. Intel gateway 8024, 8085, 80, so many. This process goes to very important gateway solution to the real market. So IoT also help the gateway Intel technology with solution provide to the customer. Before going to the next slide, am I audible? Because sir, I'm audible. Okay, here this is a very important hype cycle. We have the Gartner research report last year. This is a very recent report. I think so many students and faculty member see this graph and use this report into their project. The Gartner hype cycle for artificial intelligence, the graph between expectation and timeline graph. This is a new research of hype cycle of AI. The last year hype cycle features so many technology, but few have a value or purpose is fully understood. It does not mean AI is unusable. It means that is it will be changing. The hype cycle of artificial intelligence examines the stream of innovation and trends in the artificial intelligence sector and a scope of AI plans. You can see here the how artificial intelligence platform as its services, AI pass is here between 5 to 10 years, and the blue dotted line on the peak of the between expectation is time. Expectation is high with the time in the various technology and segment. This hype cycle also used for the emerging technology. Emerging technology which allow how movement different types of technology used in different sectors. Gartner hype cycle for emerging technology better views, and some technology will provide superhuman capabilities. The hype cycle also highlight the emerging technology with significant impact on the business, society, and people over the next 5 to 10 years. Is this helpful for finding what will be the market after 10 years? Because we have using the Android phone, everyone around the globe, I think so mostly above the 90% people are using the Android phone across the globe. Before 10 to 15 years nobody using the smartphones, because the AI research, innovate and invention is going on the so after 10 years, I think so this is after 2030, what will be the future of our technology? What will happen on mobile phone? What will be is this for my phone is stay here? So this is the emerging technology which is using. So we can calculate the prediction of forecast of future trends of technology where research application is used in various segment. artificial intelligence in financial sector in very scenario. Before going to the next slide, I'm just write here the general agents with the platforms. Here the trends of the technology. You can see here sensing and mobility, augmented humans, digital ecosystems, advanced AI and analytics, post classical compute and comes. This is the Gartner research report. I have taken the recent research report which comes in last year, last December 2019. These trends features technology with increase the mobility and ability to manipulate objects in 3D sensing cameras and more advanced automation driving automation driving. Yeah, we have a video clip, but video clip is not show here. I have a video clip where the automated car, Mercedes Benz, innovate the automated car where it move with the artificial intelligence emerging technology uses. So I will share to the my Vikalp share for regarding this. Before next slide. So this is the general AI agent with the platforms. So Apple is using the Siri, Google is now Google Assistant, Amazon using Alexa, Microsoft using Cortana, Vivo, iMessenger, WhatsApp, every chatbots artificial intelligence use. Chatbots are the face of artificial intelligence and impact of all areas. I think his slide is visible. Okay, chatbots can be text or voice based or a combination of both. Chatbots is learning technology what the user wants. It means greater implication for productivity and training inside the workplace. You can see the financial crisis here from financial cycle from 1972 to 2009, how the graph is going up with the AI technology. How Amazon, yesterday Vikalp sir saw the Amazon Prime Air, which the robots using Amazon Prime Air to deliver the product to the customer in real time with no risk. Many companies are using this technology with the product cycle and innovate their technology day by day. This is also the scenario of graph I have shown here. The how internet and social media by using the AI technology to innovate, accelerate technology foundation. So uh, the 3D printing, the renewable energy, the Internet of Things, cognitive system, the nanotechnology, robotics, blockchain, the cloud, big data, mobile, social, internet, all things are related to the chain network. We call simple as a mesh topology. We heard about the topology which connected to the block A, which connected to block B, and block B connected to block C, and that means A equal to B, B equal to C. That means A equal to C. That's connectivity chain. The system is connected to the other system. That is called the systems of systems, which is comes into the Internet of Things. This is a big, huge technology enhancement in every sector. I have shown the extreme cycle graph here, how artificial intelligence, which I have mentioned here, artificial intelligence is not artificial super intelligence, which will come in next decade. This is a very important for everybody. We are now going to the next slide. Very important research. We have various crises in the world around. We have heard about in 2008 what we have gone through the crisis. Now in 2020, a very big crisis we call COVID-19, which is uh, before COVID-19, I have a types of machine learning and data deep learning technology. Machine learning have three types of learning, which is surprise learning, unsurprised learning, reinforcement learning. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence, and deep learning is comes under the machine learning. Machine learning is a technology used in Internet of Things, where systems connected to the other systems. This is a meaningful and a structured data given to the machine learning and perform better result. So we going to the COVID-19 crisis, the rise of the artificial intelligence powered company in the post-crisis world. In this case, COVID-19 is likely to be no more different from other crises which happened in 2008. Also, we have many crises in US America. The impact on the global scenario. See, it also comes from the China COVID-19. It's also impact the global scenario. It down the value of the outbreak. It down the value of the company value chain. It down the value of the technology that we to continue as companies shift to their focus on the recovery only. This is very big thing and very big research on the this thing COVID-19 happened in this year. We believe that the application of artificial intelligence will valuable in helping companies adapt to these trends. The AI journey, artificial intelligence journey will thrive in the past COVID-19 world. You see here the graph: increased sales growth, falling sales growth, with 14% of the companies actually able to increase both the sales growth and profit margin. You can see here the graph. And the most of the companies falling growth and EBIT margin is increased. Falling number, you can see here the 47% companies down the material because the supply chain management is disturbed in this COVID-19 crisis. Nobody, the price of the product is going high because the manufacturing is going very down. How AI can support the companies? How artificial intelligence now support to the companies? This is the big question for every companies in what is the challenges comes over this crisis. See the Boston Consulting Group reports I have mentioned here. These challenges I will discuss. mm, mm, Three types of challenges we have. The challenges comes here: uncertainty in supply chain management system, disruption in operation and supply, what is workforce allocation, changing consumer confidence and priorities. This is a very important challenges we have suffered in crisis companies. The COVID-19 crisis is accelerating the shift to a now reality. Now AI can help to minimize the cost, improve the productivity and efficiency in the real time. The labor allocation analytics is the case examples which happen in this COVID-19. What is so COVID-19 crisis accelerating the shift to a new reality, and how AI can help, how AI can help. So this is the very important for every aspect of every company or every people. How new reality, how our demand we can fulfill to the research of artificial intelligence. So uncertainty requires redundancy, which means increase the cost. I already discussed the how increase the cost in COVID-19. So how AI can help? AI enables the greater scale and scope needed to build redundancy while minimizing the cost. This this AI can improve R&D and innovation, new product development, new way of working life, enables more supply chain management systems. I have discussed here the new reality and how AI can help. This enables the supply chain management, a new way of working. The consumption pattern is moving towards e-commerce and digital models because everybody using the Amazon. Yesterday, I have seen Vikalp sir giving the presentation on the Amazon how Amazon we can book order, take the order and deliver to the customers. How AI can use these things will happen in the future. AI optimize the detection of new consumption pattern and allow for hyper personalization. AI improve research R&D and innovation for new product development, which is very important. Remote ways of working are becoming the new normal in new reality. On demand labor is becoming more important. AI based companies equipped for new ways of working because I have already discussed the how Maruti Suzuki company working the robots with the AI based. Most of the companies use not like AI use various machine like Internet of Things, Alexa, Cortana. This is AI. It enables on demand of labor and sales and supply production. It enables the more supply chain management systems. This is the new way of working. I think so. We have to stay here and it will grow to the next future with the help of new technology by artificial intelligence. Thanking you. Thank you so much. Any question? Any questions?
Uh, Participants, if you ask any questions, please. Uh, Thank you, sir,
Okay.
for sharing more valuable information regarding the various issues in artificial intelligence and machine learning. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
On
I will
behalf
share
of
the
Vikas College of Engineering and Technology, CSE department, thank you once again for accepting our request, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. I will share the other, mail and other information to the Vikalp sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Uh, Thank you. Um, so from the last 3 days, we learned about various issues and algorithm implementations regarding artificial intelligence and machine learning, and various tools required for analyzing the data, how the data is extracted, so how various algorithms implemented. So many issues regarding artificial intelligence we have discussed. Thank you, sir. Um,
Thank you.
Those are very informative sessions. So thank you once again. Thank you, Vikalp sir. So on behalf of CSE Department of Vikas College of Engineering and Technology, thanks to the three technical experts, Lokesh sir, Vikalp sir, and Gupta sir. Thank you.
Thank
So
you
our
so much.
sincere, thank you, sir. So our sincere thanks to our chairman, sir, Vikas Institutions Narsireddy Garu, and the secretary Satyanarayan Reddy Garu for motivating and encouraging for conducting this type of FDPs. So on behalf of CSE department, I personally thanks to our principal sir for providing good support to organize these type of faculty development programs for the development of faculty. And I request and my sincere thanks to our HOD sir, Professor Rupesh Garu, and co-HOD sir, V. Prasanna Garu, for good support in every aspect to organize this event. Thank you, sir. Thank you. And thanks to all participants towards participating in 3-day FTP on research applications in artificial intelligence and machine learning program. Thank you all. So the feedback link will be available in chat box or in your groups. So please fill the feedback. So the link is available for only 40 minutes. So based on the feedback responses, the certificates will be issued to your registered email addresses. Thank you. Sir. Please, sir.